Ranger. The new compact Cine Zoom series, designed for full-frame coverage and have you covered with a versatile zoom range. A 28-75mm, 75-180mm, and there will be a 16-30mm coming soon. So, if you want wider, we got you. And even further if you need. You would never miss a shot and have more possibilities in framing from different distances. The whole series builds with a constant T2.9 aperture. Whether shooting in dim natural light or wanting to crave a bokeh-ish scene, it's all in your control. The Ranger series is extremely compact, but we have not compromised a tiny bit on its image quality. The lenses produce a sharp image and natural color rendering throughout the zoom range. Whether you are at the wide or the far end, they would have that consistent performance. How about some close-up shots? The Ranger excels with extremely close focusing distance. Just have all the intimate shots with our wide or tele-lens at ease. So just put them on a car race, handheld, gimbal, or even take it to the sky. Have we mentioned parfocal yet? Yeah, you can maintain precise focus when zooming in or out. So, never worry about your subject would go off again. Well, even if you really want to focus on something else, the transitions would be so smooth with almost no focus breathing. Let's take a closer look at the lenses. With a built-in focus adjustment system, no more redundant shimming process is needed, and the lens's professional design housing fits all kinds of production. The Ranger comes with a native PL mount provided with the interchangeable EF bayonet in the package. You can also get additional bayonets for mirrorless cameras. When weight and settings are no longer a concern, time to enjoy rooms of focal length flexibility with your ideal shooting in mind with the Ranger. Portable, flexible, controllable. Be cinematic with breeze and ease.